Hello and namaste friends, it's me Neha welcoming you to my very first video in the official YouTube channel of OlizStore. In this video, I will be unboxing and highlighting some of the key features of OM4. So this comes in this beautiful packaging, let's unbox it. So we have this box. So we have a tripod stand. Then it's USB to Type-C cable. And the most important, the gimbal itself. So these are the items that DJI provides inside Osmo box. First, alignment guide, 3mm stickers, USB to Type-C cables, tripod, the gimbal itself with magnetic phone clamp, magnetic ring, and kindly enough DJI has provided us this Osmo pouch where we can store this gimbal and take wherever we want. So let's keep these smaller accessories aside and focus on the main thing, that is OM4. If we have to give an introduction of this gimbal, OM4 is the latest smartphone gimbal from DJI which has been able to set a whole new standard compared to other gimbals. Reason being, its magnetic clamp. So to attach your phone to this gimbal, all you need to do is attach this magnetic clamp to your phone and then voila! When you turn it on, wait for it, you're good to go. Now you can take your phone wherever you like, film whatever you like. The most amazing thing other than the magnetic clamp itself in this gimbal is that it's 3-axis gimbal and can hold up to 290 grams. So if you want to attach a lens, a filter to your phone, this gimbal can easily handle all that weight. To get the maximum performance out of this gimbal, we need the DJI Mimo app. This app is compatible in both Android and iOS. Connecting this app to the gimbal is not that difficult and the app interface is elegant and easy to use. When you are alone with your gimbal and there is no cameraman present, then gimbal can be your cameraman and can track you wherever you are. That way you can get a perfect shot as you desired. Not just people, but it can also track objects. Using dynamic shots, it's quite easy for you to get cinematic videos as you can make vertigo effects quite easily. And this is how it works. Besides the normal panorama, there is now a new Clone Me panorama which allows you to add multiple versions of a person or subject into one shot. And you don't need any post-editing skills for this epic illusion. This is the final result. Gesture control, where we can take pictures and videos using our hand gestures. To take a picture, just do this. Now you might wonder how to start a video. Just give this sign. Then the video automatically starts. Now to stop the video. And there you have it. So let's go outdoors and shoot some videos with this OM4. Walking with this OM4, I have my iPhone 10 connected to this stabilizer and I think the video is quite stable. So I've just climbed up 2 stairs and it's still stable. So even though this road is quite bumpy, the video is quite stable and I quite like the stability while filming this when I'm walking. Taking this video as the reference, as you can see, the stabilization of the footage while you are filming a video running is mind-blowing. Incoming phone calls in the middle of your shoot is no problem anymore, as it is quite easy to attach and detach your phone from this gimbal. After you are done with your call, you can reattach and start filming from the same point that you left. So that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like it. And what are your thoughts on this gimbal? Do comment down below and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. See you on the next one. Bye bye.